and we are doing a road trip from Bangalore, and this is NH75 via Kunigal and Tumkur highway. तो दिस इज़ अवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप झरी वाटरफॉल्स। यहाँ पे आने के लिए आपको एक जीप हायर करनी होगी। यू कांट ब्रिंग योर ओन व्हीकल बिकॉज इट्स अ कंट्री रोड एंड इट विल बी क्वाइट अ बम्पी राइड, बट इट विल बी वर्थ इट।
I have come with my friend. My friend name is Salvi and my name is Yavya.
We are in town Canteen। भैया हाय कर दो, ब्लॉगिंग शुरू हो गई।
वीडियो बना दे, ठीक है।
हम लोग यहाँ पे टाउन कैंटीन में यहाँ के लजीज डोसे का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। लजीज
मैंने मसाला
डोसा इंतजार कर रहे हैं। ऐसे हम ऑर्डर लेने आए हैं तो यहाँ पे पहले से ही लिखा हुआ है कि सॉरी नो अर्जेंट सर्विस, तो
हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं सकते।
एंजॉय करते हैं।
अच्छा है, सही में कि नहीं? कॉफी अच्छी है।
So after a great breakfast and some picture clicking, we stopped at a resort which has a play area for kids and shop for buying some coffee and souvenirs. Now we are in Baba Budangiri Road and we are heading towards Manikyadhara waterfall followed by U Point. After Manikyadhara and U Point, we have now started our climb on the Mullayanagiri peak. So this is also on the same route and this is considered as the highest peak in the entire Karnataka. This peak is 6,300 feet above sea level and you have a temple at the hilltop, and the view here is panoramic, scenic, aesthetic. You can call whatever you feel like. This is day 3 for us, and today we are going to visit Kalahatti Temple and Hebbe Waterfalls. Right now we have come to Kalahatti Temple, and it has a beautiful waterfall near the entrance of the temple.
ये वही वाला मंदिर है।
Finally, the star of the show, Hebbe Falls. So in order to reach Hebbe Falls, you have to again hire a jeep, and it will be a jeep safari. Yes, you heard it right. So this will be a 12-kilometer jeep safari which will take you to the Hebbe Falls, and it will be through Bhadra Tiger Reserve. So it is again adventurous and a lot of fun.